Hey everyone, it's Lisa from MOONPRISM Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another plan with me, or welcome if you're new here. Today I'm going to be planning for the week of June 3rd through the 9th, the first full week of June, here in my Erin Condren Vertical Neutral Life Planner, using this Manifest mini kit from Wild Summer Designs. I think it's called Manifest. I can't really see it on my screen. But anyway, her mini kits are full of stickers and are also very affordable. I want to say they're like $15 maybe, but there's a code in our Facebook group for 50% off any of your purchases. So it's, yeah, her shop is so affordable. And I just love this artwork. Y'all have seen me use it in previous Plan With Me's, but just every shop does their own different take on it. So I like to get the different shops styles. Anyway, here's the previous week's Plan With Me. So I will have that video linked down below, and I will kind of recap how that week went while I lay down the bottom washi and full boxes and stuff. And of course, I will have the links to these shops as well as any discount codes or referral links I have to save y'all some money in the description box below this video as well, in case you're interested in shopping. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and, like I said, do the bottom washi, the full boxes, headers, date covers, few overlays, that kind of thing, while I kind of recap that last week. The date covers I'm using are from Rose Colored Days, and so are the date dots. They are a very old set of date covers. They were actually from a freebie from the PBC sale that she was in a long time ago. So it was like a PBC exclusive freebie for the sale that I got in my order from, I don't even know how long ago, but yeah, I've been hoarding them ever since because they're just so pretty, and I wanted the perfect kit to use them with, and I think that this colorway is of this kit are perfect for those date covers. So that's what I'm using. So anyways, back to last week's Plan With Me. That kit that I used was a subscription box from Simply Gilded. It was the royalty subscription box. I believe it was the December box. And so it came with some stickers and washi. It didn't come with like a full box stickers, so I had to make my own little washi boxes for a couple of the days. So yeah, again, if you want to check out that Plan With Me, I'll have it linked down below. But Monday the 27th was Memorial Day, and so I marked that in my planner. And then I uploaded the Plan With Me as well. I always upload if I'm on track, then I always upload my Plan With Me's on Monday. But, sometimes I get behind and they don't come up till Wednesday because I'm a slacker. But, yeah, I aim for Mondays. Also on Monday, we went to the South Point Buffet, which I've never been to the South Point before because it is quite far south in town. So I found out my father-in-law is a veteran of the Navy. And so I found out that the South Point Buffet does free buffets for, active duty or retired or whatnot, veterans. Twice a year. They do it on Memorial Day and on, I think it was either Veterans Day or Labor Day. I think it was Veterans Day. So twice a year they do Memorial Day and Veterans Day. Free buffet for any active duty or veterans, as well as one guest. So it was wild. We only had to pay for my son, and so they got, it was 5 of us all together, and we only had to pay for the child buffet. So it was quite a long line, as expected, but it was worth it. I've never been there, like I said, and I thought it was a great buffet. And I had a picture on my Instagram. If you follow me on there, you might have seen in my stories, they had this table set up that they had a sign that said Fallen Soldier Table, and it just was like a table for one, and it had the folded up flag on top of the plate and a single red rose, and there was a lemon wedge, and a white candle, and then it had this kind of poetic type of meaning for everything. It said something like the toasting glass is face down because they can't toast with us at this time. The chair is empty because they can't be with us here today. The lemon wedge is for the bitter tears that were shed for the loss of a loved one, something like that, It's really pretty. So if you saw that on my Instagram, I thought it was very poetic and very kind. Something that they just did, for our fallen men and women who have given their lives. By the way, those headers are from Cozy Paper Co. Those are from a previous $1 Wednesday. So you get 2 sets of headers for $1 on her $1 Wednesday special. So anyways, that was my Memorial Day. And I had the day off, so it was a 3-day weekend too. Tuesday, I had some Happy Meal arrive. I had to so I have to film my my May haul because I have like a bunch of stuff just piled up that I need to put away. So I got some Happy Meal, and I put that I was supposed to do my nails, but I actually didn't end up doing them until Saturday. And then I just kind of did some laundry and charged my Fitbit. So basically sorry about my dog. Basically what I've been doing is, So basically what I've been doing is I've been kind of filling in, like going back and kind of memory planning the stuff that I did that day. So that way, the whole entire day is not just like empty with like one sticker on it. So that's why I did like the laundry and the Fitbit and stuff. By the way, these are the like Galaxy full box overlays from Cozy Paper Co. Those are also a previous $1 Wednesday, except when they're on the clear paper, they're $1.25. So you get 2 full box overlays for $1.25. By the way, I do PR for Cozy Paper Co. So if you do mention my name in the notes to seller before you check out, then you get my deluxe freebie. So just a heads up there. So for Wednesday, the 29th, did my pre-planning as usual, Cozy Paper Co. Wednesday as usual. I had to run to the post office. And then we had another buffet. So for dinner, I had the Santa Fe buffet this time because my in-laws said it was like half point day, and then they had accumulated enough points so that it could get us all free buffets by using their points. So, they invited us out. My husband was still working, unfortunately, because I get off work before him, but they brought him home some fried chicken from the cafe. That was next door. Then on Thursday, I just filmed and edited. I got some extra sleep because I napped that day. I cleaned the litter box and went to Sam's Club. Unfortunately, it was kind of annoying because I got this gift card membership, and so I was going to go and sign up, but I left the gift card membership at home. Yeah, so then that was a waste of time because then I went back home and didn't want to go back out. So I have to go back to Sam's Club eventually so I can, sign up. Friday was Simply Gilded releases. Super pretty. I only picked up a couple of the purple sky washies, and there was some other stuff too, but I didn't get it. I had some bills due. The Planner Girl exclusive sale started. Cozy Paper Co. is in that. And if you're watching this on Monday, June 3rd, then today is the last day for you to shop. You can save 25% at Cozy Paper Co. with the code TROPICALPGE. And then you can still mention my name for my freebie as well. Saturday, June 1st, we went to a Home Depot event, which I also had shown on my Instagram stories. My son made a little mini golf putting thingy. I don't know. Just like it comes with a little putter and a little golf ball, and you can kind of shoot it into the little hole on a slope. Very cute. We did some meal planning. Like I said, I actually did my nails on that day. And then also it was our family night. So whenever our parents are in town, my in-laws, we go to their house and we watch a movie and they have dinner. So we had dinner there, and we also watched the Lego movie too, which is good. I like the Lego movies. I like the first one better, but I do like this one. Sorry, I'm trying not to yawn. Sunday, we had to pick up our groceries so we could kind of start meal prepping a little bit. I don't prep too much of it because a lot of our food we do have to cook like the day of, just because my son doesn't eat the same stuff that we do most of the time. He's very picky, and he also eats like meat and stuff, and we don't eat meat, so I don't cook meat, whatever. And then I ran a lot of errands. We went to Walmart, we went to Sprouts, we went to Trader Joe's and put all that in there. And then I also planned with my son that day as well. So that was last week. Let's go ahead and get into the sidebar. So I'm starting off by using the Constellation washi from my Galaxy 4.0 set, which was a prior Simply Gilded box release. The really dark blue purple doesn't really match with this spread, but it's the only Constellation washi that I have, and I was like, whatever. I'm going to use it. So I used that, and then I also used the Monday through Sunday tracker schedule. that comes in the kit under that. And then I put my Grateful For sticker in the middle there. That's from Cozy Paper Co. And that's because I like to track a grateful thought of the day, Monday through Sunday, daily, just something to be grateful for that I was grateful for that day. Then I'm using my moon washi from Simply Gilded in between. I was going to use the 4.0 washi, but then it just, it looked too bluish purpley. So I swapped it out for the Galaxy 3.0 moons. Unfortunately, I don't own the Galaxy 3.0 set. I do only have the moons and the twilight. I don't have the constellation or the bows. The constellation would have been perfect with this spread because it's all pink. So yeah, I don't have the complete 3.0 set, but I hope to acquire it one day. So I do have the moons and twilight, so I decided to use the moons because it's more pink, a little less dark purple, And then over that, I just used a to-do header and then a ombre heart checklist from the kit, just as my little running to-do list for the week. I don't put a to-do list every single day just because I kind of don't really to-do things every day. Even in my weekly one, it's kind of pretty blank. I put one or two things, and then they're kind of things that I always end up putting off because I just keep putting them on my to-do list every single week. Because yeah, I just, I don't know. My to-do list, obviously I do things like laundry and dishes and stuff, but I don't know. I don't mark it in my planner unless I'm trying to fill up space. Yeah, because it's something I don't plan to do. I just kind of do it whenever it needs to be done, So because I'm not planning to do it, I don't plan to do it, but I might go back in and put that I did it. So whatever. And then that bottom washi there that I capped the day off with was just a Pink Room Co. Really pretty, an ombre glitter tape washi, because you can feel the texture in it. It has glitter. And I think it's a silver foil with just tiny little stars. And I forget where I got that, but I believe it was from Go Wild. I think it was in my swag bag. So I don't know. I think it looks like a 5mm to me. But I don't have any other Pink Room Co washi, so, but it's really pretty. So starting with Monday, Monday is the day that I'm going to be uploading this plan with me. So I'm going to be using my usual, my Noose Addiction arrows pointing up for upload, and then a Cozy Paper Co camera icon. And then it is also a new moon tonight. So I wanted to show y'all that I do have these new moon trackers by Aurora and Avalon Creations. Who I do PR for. You can use my code MOONPRISM just as one word, and you'll save 25%. You'll also get my moon phase dashboard freebie. And so I usually use those, but they're a little bit dark, and I really wanted to keep things light and pink and purple for this, spread. So I did happen to have these half boxes from a previous $1 Wednesday from Cozy Paper Co. that are perfect for this kit. And of course they have the moons and crystals and stuff on them. So I don't often get to use those half boxes. I just bought them because they're gorgeous, but I don't often get to use them. I would rather use them now since they match perfectly and the new moon trackers don't match as perfectly. So decided to use them. And I love them. So then moving on to Tuesday, I only have that my husband has a doctor appointment. So I'm using this tiny skinny little box that already has a bow in the corner from a little sampler freebie or whatever that came with the kit. Then on Wednesday, I'm going to be using a fancy label box for Cozy Paper Co's $1 Wednesday. And then at the end of the night, I want to make sure I pre-plan next week. So I'm taking my Noose Addiction clear little bow clip. And then also I have these teeny tiny little flags from the Giving Girl that are just kind of sparkled with stars and polka dots type of things or whatever, confetti, And I just love them. They're so dainty and teeny tiny and cute, and they're just adorable for layering. So that's what I do with them. I layer. So then we're going to move on to Thursday. Thursday is another day where I don't have much going on. And so see, this is why I've decided to start going in and back planning, because again, you'll see at the end of the plan with me, my weekends are a little more busy, but other than that, it's Monday through Friday. When I'm not taking classes in school, sorry, I'm just getting some tissue because I need to blow my nose. I really have a pretty kind of empty plans for the week, Monday through Friday. So I just kind of go back and fill in, what I'm doing or what I did. So Thursday, my son has a doctor appointment and I'm going to take him to that after work. So I used the same box that I used for the doctor appointment Tuesday that came on that freebie, but it's just the different color and the bows on the other side. So then moving on to Friday, I'm going to put down this little Bill Do sticker that came in the kit. And then I figured out I had some more flags in the kit. So I wanted to use the one that's got a little bit of the moon phases in it. It's super cute. And so I put it on its side, and I'm going to layer that next to a Simply Gilded washi because there's going to be some more new releases definitely check it out because there's a ton of adorable 4th of July washi getting released. I already saw a picture of it and I'm so hyped because they've got the 5mm Stardust releasing, and she's got some confetti releasing and some 5mm bows. I'm so excited. I love all the 5mm rolls. Anyways, and then Friday's our trash eve because Saturday is trash day. So I'm just using my usual Magic Prints Co. trash icon with the Binks and Bones trash eve script in my handwriting. Then moving on to Saturday, I'm using a half box at the top of the day because there's going to be a sleep tech coming to our house, and I kind of laid it down a little crooked, to set up my husband's CPAP machine because he has sleep apnea. So they're going to come and set it up and show him how to use it. So I'm using this little alarm clock, or just like clock icon from Cozy Paper Co. from one of her $1 Wednesdays, because I didn't really have anything else to mark like sleeping or whatever, so I just kind of used like, you know, a clock as like a reminder. Then on the bottom of Saturday is, again, we're gonna have our family night and go to my in-laws house. So I'm using a pretty like fancy script, or no, fancy label, and then I'm using the family time script from Cozy Paper Co. As you can see, those bigger sheets, like the Grateful and the Family Time, those much bigger sheets are not a $1 Wednesday. Those are just like her usual prices. So you can still find them in the shop. They're just not $1, but they're in her shop. Then I found this adorable little hexagons in the kit, and I love using like different stuff to layer with. So I'm going to layer one of Cozy Paper Co.'s nail polish icons because I love the cute little bow she drew on there, because it's a hand-drawn nail polish icon. And Georgie from Cozy Paper Co. is the one who drew it. And I love the little bow. So anyways, I'm going to try to paint my nails on Saturday after family night or whatever, maybe before, I don't know. Then moving on to Sunday. Sunday, I need to film and edit. Usually, if you're not new here, you've seen I try to film and edit on Thursdays. And I usually don't want to wait until Sunday because then I feel like much more pressured to hurry up and get it all done. But I have a new schedule with the school. Of course, I have my full-time job where I work Monday through Friday, and I still work part-time for my local community college. And so I'm working Saturday and Sunday at the community college. So yeah, I'm working 7 days a week now. I'm stretching myself thin, y'all. I'm not gonna I don't know how this week is gonna turn out because I might not have time to get my Plan With Me up in time. I really hope I do. So we'll see. Please keep your fingers crossed for me. I don't have to. Like, I could quit that job and just work, you know, Monday through Friday, but I really love that job. I love working with my coworkers are amazing. I love my students, and it's more rewarding for me. I also like to have a job to fall back on because I really don't like my full-time job, and I don't feel job security at that job either. So I'm kind of looking for another job. But in the meantime, I like to have something I can fall back on just in case. And yeah, so whatever. And I just kind of told my husband, like, my weekend job is going to be for my planner budget. So, and he was like, fine, you know, you're the one working 7 days a week, you know, you deserve it. So I'm like, sweet. So yeah, I just layered like one of these long strips of like a flag or whatever that was in the kit because I thought it was like really cute and, you know, again, a good layering agent. And so I layered it with one of those teeny tiny Giving Girl flags and then a minus addiction arrow because I always use those arrows for like filming or doing anything YouTube. So that's my little film. I tried to put the camera in, but I didn't want it to like mess up my flow. I thought that those three looked really cute together, so I didn't put it in. And then I used a half box with one of the Cozy Paper Co. planners drawn by Georgie, and a Don't Forget script by Rose Colored Days because I want to make sure I don't forget to plan with my son on Sunday. I'm showing you what's left in the kit because there was a ton of leftovers, and again, this is a mini kit, y'all, and a really good price. And then I remembered there was a weekend banner, so I was like, let me put this down too. So yeah, that's about it for this Plan With Me. Definitely make sure you're following me on Instagram because like I said, I do want to like update, you know, throughout the week how it looks and the things that I add into it so it doesn't look so blank and open and white spacey. And yeah, so please give this video the thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please definitely subscribe if you're not already and you would love to see more videos from me because I film videos regularly. I film my Plan With Me's, my hauls and stuff like that. My monthly Plan With Me is all that. Anyway, so thank y'all again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and definitely leave me a comment down below because I always reply back. I love to talk to y'all and say hi. I hope to see y'all in next week's video and have a wonderful week. Take care, y'all. Bye.